Hi friends! So I am putting together something for our door for Christmas, a wreath, and I thought these weren't hanging around, so I'm trying to make a wreath out of cups. So basically what I did was take the lids off the coffee can, 2 of them, and I put them together, and that's my center. And then I counted the cups so that they would fit just right. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them. I'm just kind of using some stuff that nobody wanted to put on the tree. There's my door. And then I found the snowflake, and I'm going to try to put this in it somehow too. So I thought, well, I could use these balls and just take off the caps. Maybe save that for something else. They're just kind of old and getting a little decrepit here. So, got my glue gun. Of course, it's kind of breezy right now. I'm going to have to stop and shut this door. It keeps shutting and opening and shutting. Thought these look kind of like little bells, so. I haven't started my Christmas cards yet. Hopefully I'll get around to it. Not I'm always looking for cheap ways to make something fun. You could use a lot of things. You could, oh, so I put a little tie in between them, the lids, and then I glue gunned around it. So it's basically just putting 2 coffee lids, plastic, on top of each other, and then using I took a piece of this leather off of a tassel that somebody threw away and just knotted it, and then I'm using it like a handle so I can put it on the door or the wall or something. Not too difficult to figure out. So, and also I've got it sitting on this little plastic thing to kind of hold it with some string while I'm turning it around. Getting these bowls. It's a nice day today. There's lots of sun. I took a really nice bike ride. And, you might want to go back later and reinforce it a little bit on the sides. Right now I'm just going to try to get them positioned, and then once that center one is cooled off, then 2 more to do. Let me know in the comments if you like the video sped up or not, or do you like it with me narrating, sort of. I don't know, I think I like it more personal. It's personable, it's when I'm talking to you. But a lot of people don't have any time for that, but I mean, my goodness, you can see this is pretty straightforward. Dry, dry, dry. Now, because these balls are kind of, used, I wished I had some spray paint. You could spray paint these like with gold or something, but I'm not going to spend any more money than I have to this season. I could do an arrangement of some sort, possibly alternate. Use the best ones, of course. Put this one on. Ta-da! It's pretty good. I had 2 snowflakes. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Well, that looks pretty cool. What do you think?